Hi guys, it's Scott5 and I'll be unboxing the tripod and memory stick I got. So this is a Gorilla Glide. It's like, I think it's pretty good, I don't know. But it's like magnetic in the bottom, just see there. It's like I'm probably going to be using it like that, or maybe like this, but yeah, mostly like that. And it just says, that's the way it holds. So there's So I'll be back when I open this. So I finally opened it. Not that good, but still opened. And oh, what's this? I don't know what this is. It's probably to screw it on or something. And then we also get the actual tripod. You get a plastic thing here to keep it together, but we probably won't need that. Oh, that's good. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. So it's just, you got it's magnetic at the bottom, so I'll probably show it later. But then you have these. They're pretty hard. They're okay to push and move around. It's like if you have a camera on it, it won't move, but with a built force it can. You got the end screw, this to like move it around. It's there. And you can put it, hold it like this as a tripod, or even have it like this or something like that. And now we'll be unboxing this one as well. So I also got a 32GB SD card, and it records in 4K. It's good with GoPros, everything like that. The speed's pretty good. It's not, it's an average, it's a little bit above average, but yeah. We got the adapter turned to an SD card from a micro SD, and it's A+ with fast mobile app performance. So it's just like speeds up a phone or something, but I'm not going to be using it on the phone, so that's pretty peak. And it just tells you a bunch of stuff here. But yeah, the main reason I got this one was because of the 4K. So I got scissors and time to cut this open. So let me just get in here. Just open it, take it out. Oh, it comes in a plastic, so you just don't lose it. I haven't opened an SD card in such a long time. It's too long. Like the last time I did was when I had a Samsung phone. But yeah. So this is the SD card. Can't use it. So plus, that's the adapter, just an average adapter. And yep, so I'm gonna put everything on, then I'll see you soon. So yep, here's the SD card as I already showed you, but I'll put it in here, and I'm probably never gonna take it out, to be honest, because my laptop and the camera both take SD card and not micro. So here, pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. It's like a bit wonky, you can see, but yeah, it's not gonna be that much of a deal. And I still don't know what this is. It's probably something you can put in here. I'll just check. No, it's probably just part of the casing or something. Or here. No. Well, doesn't matter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what videos you want. I'm going to be doing gaming videos. I might be doing some pranks, but yeah, mostly just gaming videos and unboxings and stuff. So subscribe and like for more of those. Bye.